how to fix your account is frozen issue on Telegram. So if you want to fix your account is frozen issue on your Telegram, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So first you need to open up your browser and search for Telegram support. Once you do that, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of telegram.org. You need to tap on that and it will take you to the support page like this. You'll have this kind of interface. Here you need to describe your problem. You need to write that, hello Telegram, my Telegram account, and you need to enter your account number and you need to write that it has been frozen. I believe that it was due to this and this reason. If you know the reason, you can enter your reason and you need to write, I assure you I will follow Telegram's rules and avoid any violations in the future. So kindly review and resolve my account and thank you for understanding. After writing that, you need to enter your full legal name and then you need to enter your email address and then you need to enter your phone number. Once done, you can go with submit and your problem will be fixed. Just wait for a few hours. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.